Bullish ALGO value forecast is 28 cents to 75 cents. Algorand cost could likewise reach 80 cents soon. Bearish ALGO cost expectation for 2023 is 16 cents. In Algorand cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ALGO to examine the future development of the digital currency. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital money of the Algorand environment. Algorand is an open-source decentralized blockchain in light of brilliant agreements. ALGO was sent off in 2019 following its mainnet send-off. Like Ethereum, Algorand possesses its local Algorand virtual machine. Algo brilliant agreements empower clients to create different dApps on the blockchain. Algorand works in view of the unadulterated evidence of stake agreement component joined with Byzantine arrangement convention. PPOS was acquainted with the blockchain space by Algorand's pioneer Silvio Macaulay. The blockchain follows algorithmic arbitrariness to choose its validators and verifiers, and in this way legitimizing its name Algorand. Clients get to partake in the administration of the blockchain either simply by holding ALGO or marking it. ALGO holders get almost 7.5% APY as recurring automated revenue on holding these tokens. It works with quick, productive, and feasible exchanges at lower costs. Algorand helps to determine the blockchain trilemma: decentralization, security, and versatility. Algorand value expectation 2023. Algorand stands firm on the 37th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. ALGO cost forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of Algorand spread out a level channel design, even channel otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the level channel is framed during the cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in combination. At present, Algorand is in the scope of 24 cents. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of a LGO could arrive at the obstruction levels of 24 cents and 36 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of a LGO might tumble to 19 cents and 16 cents. Algorand backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Algorand. The outlines show that Algorand has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ALGO could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at 75 cents. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Algorand could fall to nearly 16 cents, a negative sign. Algorand value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Algorand is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of a LGO lies underneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Algorand is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, Algorand cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, ALGO has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of a LGO whenever. In the interim, the general strength file of the ALGO is 64.66. This implies that Algorand is in an almost overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of a LGO might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Algorand value forecast 2023. ADX, RVI. Let us currently take a gander at the typical directional file of Algorand. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Algorand. At present, the ADX of a LGO lies in the scope of 30.87, and in this manner, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file of Algorand. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of a LGO lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Algorand is at 64.66, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of a LGO with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Algorand. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH, BTC, and ALGO are moving in a comparative pattern. Algorand value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while anticipating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. How about we foresee the cost of Algorand somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030? Algorand Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Algorand could likely achieve $1 by 2024. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. With a few updates in the organization, Algorand could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Algo could revitalize to hit $3 by 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. If Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Algo would mobilize to hit $5. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. If Algorand supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Algo would mobilize to hit $7. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. If Algorand supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Algo would revitalize to hit $9. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. If Algorand holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns and exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Algo would hit $11 in 2029. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Algorand, it would observe significant spikes. Algo could hit $13 by 2030. And with persistent upgrades in the Algorand organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Algo. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Algorand in 2023 is 75 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Algorand cost expectation for 2023 is 16 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Algorand biological system, the exhibition of Algo would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.56 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 80 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Algo is a wise interest in 2022. FAQ 1. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital money of Algorand, an open-source decentralized blockchain. Algorand works in light of the unadulterated confirmation of stake agreement. 2. Where might you at any point buy Algorand? Algorand has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Upbit, OKX. 3. Will Algorand come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Algorand stage, Algorand has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Algorand? On June 20, 2019, Algorand arrived at its new all-time high of $3.56. 5. Is Algorand a wise interest in 2023? Algorand is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Algorand in the beyond couple of months, Algo is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6.